Welcome back to the show, guys. Now, sound systems across the US recently competed in the US Rumble Sound Clash. This was promoted by Irish and Chin. We have all the highlights, so check it out.
People, last week, I come a one clash in New York, I'm there in the crowd. You know how long me I try reach them stage. You know how long me I try do bigger things in our life. Me I gonna play the first Queen's artist for the night. All who believe in your dreams.
Everybody have a dream.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody, listen me.
I get tired.
Get a youth. Buy where you want, buy. Fly where you want.
Them. Who the fuck them I gonna convince them a bad man? Me not tell nobody say me a bad man. And look for my shirt.
King Fargo. You know if I know where you know.
Who look for my shirt? New York.
What's so easy? King Fargo. This is what King Fargo life is like. Cook food in the day and kill son in the night.
We mean a hustler.
All scrape up, fighting back chaser, left chatting feel later. When the time waste up, black hustler, rise to the top like a vapor. No boy never touch me for money, me never yet been.
Levers, someone go out like them free for them drill, pay them tune. Me not paying them 45 up. I want me there.
Yo, Chris, bang them.
You up here suck your mother. California come from, you know. The last person to break them silence over there was a Bruce Jenner. Anton Bill East. Your name Caitlin from tonight. Hold on. Me. Hold on. Listen when I'm amazing attack. If me did I represent LA, this is the first song we would have played.
I won't deny it. I'm a straight rider. You don't want up with me. Got the
Oh, yeah!
Out and coming in, King Shine. You made a jump on, kill them one by one, yeah. And now we're going out and in the juggling. King Shine, we're not afraid of no idiot. Hey, I no better believe that no son boy can war with me.
Hey, King Fargo get him best friend backstage pass when I like me.
So them a play.
Me not call him name King Fargo.
Now hear me out. King Shine sound, no worry about them pagans. We don't see them through we Raven. Hey.
Yo, the struggles when we go through, people, trust me. The struggles when we go through. Boss dip, 3 box get lost. Nashing gone. Jano New York, I love you know. King Shine, big up yourself. Cause you tell no sell me out. I talk to that youth every week on the phone. I will reason about some business. Irish and Chin, big up. Cause one time I did a bun out. And I still reach out to the youth. New York, I love you know. Big up all I saw them in our competition. Jano.
Hey guys, now it's time for our premix with the Lasco segment, so check it out. Hey guys, welcome to another week of us showing you how to prepare protein shakes. This week it's the Lasco Vanilla Peanut Butter Banana Shake, so let's get started. So we're going to use 2 scoops of protein, a half cup of almond flakes, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, 1 cup of Lasco skimmed milk, half of a banana, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 pack of Lasco vanilla. Now it's time to check out the Pree Dis Top 10 charts.
Me can't do a year without I good. In my head, yeah. So we killing it, we up on the bloody pig. Batman lucky treat, parrot have to watch it bitch. Every day and not every week, I'll cheer for me and free.
If my wife a party, what if my wife a party? Live the
you go up everybody before second half. All when you buy like a ticket, you no stand a chance. You buy your friend, them with Padda dance. Me a strike, pill, no license, them. Your pies, your stifle, you knock out a ties, you get up, you frightened.
OJ bingo, another one bingo, OJ bingo. Can't do tap on the phone 'cause you don't know the thing. OJ bingo, not chest make you limbo. OJ bingo.
You really have a nerve, my youth, mouth and no yours. Where you a call me name, for where you a call me name, sir. Where you a call me name, for where you a call me name, sir.
Hustling hard for the party, work all week, so tonight we a party. We love to party, yeah we love to party. Look, y'all come, yes I'm a shawty. We not go to no regular party, we work all week, so tonight we a party.
The dance floor do the ajibo. Throw the dance about everybody a bounce. Bounce we a bounce 4 weeks and the month. Bounce. Take the dance floor do.
That's the echo when the grabber schema like Shabba Madda pot. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody's trapped, every banana. Feel like the rims and the Cadillac.
Anyhow, I don't beg for now. Weed is my best friend, and me no want see no next friend. God, weed is my best friend. Some boy where you talk and I lip, me not trust them. Weed is my best friend.
Me no sell out my friends, them neither. Enough of them lose them soul for gain the world. When I switch for the table turn. When you talk about boys, it marry up dear one friend them. Me know I the Almighty send them. 'Cause when me read me Bible, Christ never left him disciples. And if I want food, me have man share that. Set the box cover ya, tear that. Them a play my song before people.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and thanks to Endless Summer Boutique, Shop 7 Manor Park Plaza for this outfit. And thanks to you for tuning in each and every week. See you next time.